In the name of Allah Almighty, Magnificent and Merciful. May peace and blessings of Almighty Allah be all upon you. Jurisprudence is derived from Latin word jurisprudentia, which literally means legal wisdom or science of civil law, systematic knowledge of civil law. Jurisprudence is the name given to a certain type of investigation into law, an investigation of an abstract, general and theoretical nature, which seeks to clarify essential principles of law. So jurisprudence literally means legal wisdom or science of systematic knowledge of civil law, positive law, law passed by the parliament, law applied and enforced by the state, command of sovereign backed by sanction. It is an investigation, collection of an evidence, theoretical basis, principles, theories which we study in jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the subject which students of law study to understand principles, to understand positive law, law passed by the legislature. So there are two aspects of jurisprudence, practical aspect and theoretical aspect. In practical aspect, jurists talk about specific issues of persons like contract, specific relief. But in theoretical aspect, jurists talk about general principles, general theories of law, basic concepts to understand existing law or law as it existed in past, positive law, like theories, definitions about state, types of law, definition of law, right and its types, liability, duty, obligation, ownership, possession, title, so substantive law, procedural law, all these theories, principles which a student of law must understand to understand positive law, existing positive law or positive law as it existed in past. So the present day jurisprudence is theoretical aspect, not practical aspect. Then theoretical jurisprudence further classified into three types: analytical, ethical and historical. Analytical can also be called expositive. It is an analysis of law as it is or as it existed in past, as applied by the state. So in analytical jurisprudence, analytical branch of theoretical jurisprudence, students understand principles to know, to understand, analyze the existing law or law as existed in past, as passed by the legislature, as commanded by the sovereign or the ruler. And other two types of jurisprudence are ethical. In ethical jurisprudence, jurists talk about law, analyze and examine law as it ought to be in an ideal society. Critically analyze law, not as it is to understand, but to critically analyze and give suggestions, recommendations for betterment, for its betterment, for betterment of legal system, for betterment of the law. So it is called ethical jurisprudence, ethical branch of theoretical jurisprudence. And third type is Historical jurisprudence. In historical jurisprudence, jurists talk about the stages of law as it was, and law refined through evolution. So jurists talk about evolution of law, how it refined through stages of history. So the important book in historical branch of jurisprudence is written by Henry Maine, Ancient Law by Henry Maine. So the present day jurisprudence is analytical branch of theoretical jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is derived, literally means legal wisdom or systematic knowledge of civil law. It is derived from Latin word jurisprudentia. It is the name given to a certain type of investigation, collection of an evidence into law, and investigation of an abstract, general and theoretical nature, principles, theories, to clarify essential principles of law, to clarify, to understand, to clarify essential principles of law, the existing law as it is or as it existed in past. There are two aspects of jurisprudence: practical jurisprudence and theoretical jurisprudence. But the present day jurisprudence is theoretical jurisprudence. Theoretical jurisprudence further classified into three types: analytical jurisprudence, analysis of law as it is or as it existed in past. It is also called expositive jurisprudence. Another type is ethical jurisprudence, critically analyze law as it should be in an ideal society. And historical jurisprudence, analysis of the stages of law through which law refined, so evolution of law, the stages of history through which law refined and came to us. The present day jurisprudence is analytical branch of theoretical jurisprudence, which is an analysis of law as it is or as it existed in past in the light of principles, theories which we study in present day jurisprudence. And the main book written by John William Salmond in 1902, and it was expounded by other jurists. And the present day, nowadays, students of law mainly study the theories of law, principles of law, to understand, to analyze positive law as it is or as it existed in past. Thank you very much.